Hello friends, I'm Arun Mandapaka and my team of consultants are Mr. Srinivas, Mr. Prithvi and Ms. Ramya. We belong to the Spartan Consulting Services. Our project is to develop a database and user interface for the Analyte Consulting Private Limited. Now let's take a quick look at the background of the company. Analyte Consulting Private Limited is a startup non-profit consulting company in India. It is set up to provide smart analytic and business solutions. It uses various technologies as SAS, Statistica, IBM SPSS modelers, R, and many more technologies. This company will expand its personnel by taking in more consultants based on new projects. When we look into the present situation of the company, this company is started 8 months back and it is using Excel sheet to store and process the data related to the employees as well as clients. This is a major setback for the company as there is a lot of data loss, too much manual effort, lack of integration, which resulted in a lot of loss of customers. As there is no interface to interact with the database, there is always a possibility of data redundancy, dependency, and data isolation. So when we analyze the system using pieces framework, the existing system is inefficient and ineffective. The information is highly valuable, but it's not organized. The cost incurred is quite redundant. The security of the data is very poor, and there is no efficient process which defines the correct system. On the whole, it hampered company prospectus as well as reflected bad image in front of customers. So in order to propose the solution, as consultants, we gone ahead to collect the requirements of the company, based on which we have done a detailed analysis. As consultants, we have prepared a set of questions for the representatives of the company. These questions cover the requirements like the data that has to be stored in the new system, the validation, output and business documents, and as well as design structure of the user interface. Based on these requirement collections and requirement analysis, the solution that was proposed is to develop a user interface and database to maintain the client and employee info. The needs of the Analyte Consulting Private Limited is met by creating a front-end user interface in ASP.NET and database using SQL Server. As consultants, we have taken up this project with sincere effort and detailed project planning. Our team has sit together to break down the task into different phases and assess the number of days to complete the task. We were successful in following this project plan, which gave us excellent results and also great project planning experience. We have completed the project in record number of 49 days. Let's come to the system design. Use case diagram is a representation of user interaction with the system. As you can see, the prospective employee, HR, employee, manager, client are the actors, and these are the different use cases and the interactions are shown. So, the checking the salary details, managing the project details, generating reports, updating the decision information, viewing the project progress, budget details, these are all the use cases which are really important in any system design. When we come to the entity relationship model, which is a data model for describing a database, the entities here are the HR, department, employee, client, project, career, and works on. And the relationship among them are shown in the diagram. This diagram shows how particular functions are performed within the data flow. This is nothing but the physical data flow design. In this diagram, for example, if we consider the manager, he prepares the project plan by making use of the project data from the database. Now coming to the physical design, which gives us a complete perspective as to how the web browser or the mobile device interacts with the system. From the diagram, it is clear that we can see there is a web server, database server, and a user. Thank you. Now Ramya Jala is going to continue with the presentation.
Thank you, Arun. We used ASP.NET for developing the user interface and SQL Server for the database. Now that we have developed the system, we have tested the system using the manual testing. We use techniques like unit testing, user acceptance testing, and integration testing. After the implementation, the prototype of the home page looks like this. It has hyperlinks to home, technology, services, and login pages. The employees and client can log into the system and can perform various activities. As a prospective employee, he can register using this page. This is a screenshot which shows the registration is successful. This screenshot shows the prototype of employee screen page. Here the employee can check his projects, profile, and enter his timesheet. It also allows to edit his profile and view the payroll. Now coming to the admin page. The admin has different privileges to create database and database backup, insert database, and delete a database. This page is used to create a database by the admin. This page is used to back up the database. By using this page, we can restore a database. Developing user interface and database for Analyte Consulting Private Limited has many advantages and give them excellent results. It helps the company to face the competition. There will be lots of business benefits to the company and can gain 100% customer satisfaction. Our team would like to take the opportunity to express humble gratitude to Dr. Nick Dalal for his constant guidance and willingness to share his vast knowledge to help us to complete the project. It has been a great learning experience to us being a part of Advanced System Analysis and Design class. Thank you.